Hello everybody, this is Doc and welcome to Doc's World. I will now show you how to make a dotted or dashed marquee line in 30 seconds. Step 1. Make a marquee of whatever shape you choose. Step 2. Go to Paths, turn this into a path button. Step 3. Make a new layer. Step 4. Go to Layer, New Fill Layer, Solid Color. Click OK. OK. Go back to Paths, delete the original first layer, and you're done. You go back to the layers thing, select the white selection tool, and now you have the full access to change this layer. So I'm going to add a stroke. Let's make it yellow. I'm going to add the size, increase the size. I'm going to change it to dots. Okay, there's the dash, there's the dots. I'm going to remove the fill. Okay, and we're done. There you go. Welcome to Doc's World. I hope you had a great day. Bye.